Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can check how old your tire is using the dot code. So how do you find the dot code? So 4-digit dot codes is usually located in the window on the tire side wall. So this is how it looks like. So I have checked it in my car, one of my cars. So I have found the number. So let me put that in here. So the dot code number says 1313. 1313. It's an old car, so the tire is also should be old. So if you see here, the dot code ended is date of production is around 2013. So it's like 9-year-old tire. So your tires are over 5 years, so you should consider replacing them. This is how you check that tires. So it is possible to check in most of the tires. Some of the latest ones like Bridgestone have their own way of warranty and dates, so you can check that out. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.